Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing a song by the LOVEWORLD singers, You Are Good by Vashon. And I'm going to be playing it in a key of C sharp, in as much as it was playing in a key of B flat. Alright, so the song is like this. We lifted hands, we sing of your goodness, with our hearts full of thanksgiving. The Lord, we worship you. We stand in awe of you, in humble adoration. We proclaim that you are good and kind. Oh Lord, we worship you. We lifted hands, we sing of your goodness, with our heart full of thanksgiving. Oh Lord, we worship you. We stand in awe of you, in humble adoration. We proclaim that you are good and kind. Oh Lord, we worship you. Alright, so the song starts in a 6. To a chord 5. Then you do a chord 2. 3 to a 6. We lifted hands, we sing of your goodness, with our heart full of thanksgiving. Oh Lord, we worship you. Again, 6, 5, then a 2, a 3, 6. Then it continues. We stand in awe of you. Second stanza. In humble adoration, we proclaim that you are good and kind. Then you move to a chord 4. Lord, we worship you. So that part you do a 6, 5, 2, 3, 4. Then you come back to a 6. You are love unconditional. You are perfect in all your ways. You are so great. You are so great. Your beauty is indescribable. Your wisdom is extraordinary. You are so great. You are so great. So that part you're going to be doing a 6. You are love unconditional. To 5. Da, 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 da. A chord 2. Then you do a chord 3, but this time around you play it in a major, not a minor. You are so great. Back to the 6. Beauty is in da, 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 da. Chord 5. Da, 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 da. A chord 2. Then this time around the 2 you're gonna be playing it. The chord 3 you're playing it. You are so great. We delight in you. right, so basically the progression is a 6, 5, 2, 3, which is a minor, to a 6. That's the beginning, the first stanza. Then the second stanza, 6, 5, 2, 3, 4. That's where you move into you are love unconditional. 6, 5, then 2, and this time around the 3, you're going to be playing it in a major before you move to your 6. So basically that's the whole song, and with these progressions you should be able to play the song. All right, so the progression, the numbers that I give you, you can use it in any other key. So even if you're going to be playing it in the original key, which is the B flat, lifted hands, sing of your goodness, with our hearts full of thanksgiving, Lord, we worship you. So it's still the same chord numbering, but you play it in a different key. Alright, so thank you for being a part of this tutorial, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.